Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of our new DIY mount kits. So these are very simple yet effective motor mount kits for the do-it-yourselfer. What's nice about these is that they come with polyurethane bushings, necessary hardware to bolt the assembly together, the steel bushing tubes that the polyurethane bushings go into, and then also some tabs to be welded to your chassis and to the engine plate. These ones specifically are for a small block Ford, Windsor, or Cleveland style engine. So these will bolt to your engine, and then you'll take your tabs and you'll cut and weld them to size when it's in your engine. So it just makes it easier for the do-it-yourselfer to create their own motor mounts for an application that they don't already make a bolted-in solution. So if you want to find out more about the small block Ford DIY motor mount kits or any of our others, check us out, crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.